Welcome to the Showroom Spotlight, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Renault Duster 2025. With its new features, updated design, and performance upgrades, this compact SUV is ready to make an impression in the market. Let's dive right in. Redesigned exterior. The 2025 Renault Duster comes with a bold new look. The front now sports a more aggressive grille, sharp LED headlights, and a redesigned bumper that gives it a fresh, modern appeal. The angular design not only enhances its rugged character but also improves aerodynamics, making it more efficient on the road. The new alloy wheels and updated color palette offer a more refined touch, appealing to a wide range of buyers. Refined interior. Inside, the Duster 2025 is all about comfort and modern technology. The cabin features a revamped dashboard with a larger touchscreen infotainment system, integrating both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The new upholstery options add a premium feel, while the spacious layout ensures ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The upgraded materials make the Duster's interior feel more upscale than ever before. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the Renault Duster 2025 offers a selection of powerful yet fuel-efficient engines. You can choose between a turbocharged petrol engine and a more efficient diesel option, both of which provide smooth performance for both city and off-road driving. The new 6-speed gearbox ensures improved driving dynamics, while the advanced suspension system offers better stability and comfort on varied terrains. Safety and technology features. Renault has upped the ante when it comes to safety in the 2025 Duster. The SUV now comes equipped with advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking. The new driver assistance systems ensure that your journeys are as safe as they are enjoyable. Conclusion. To sum up, the Renault Duster 2025 is a well-rounded SUV that blends style, comfort, and performance in one impressive package. Whether you're looking for a reliable city commuter or an adventurous off-roading companion, this SUV is built to meet your needs. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited about the Duster's new look, and subscribe for more updates from the Showroom Spotlight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.